You invent the sports sedan. Race car drivers swear by it. Car enthusiasts love it. It becomes one of the world's favorite luxury cars. What do you do next? Well, if you're BMW, you keep making it better. The new BMW 3 Series. Discover driving pleasure.
Hello, I'm at artist Kanchan Chandra's studio, and in fact we've disturbed her. She's working on a lovely piece of artwork. Let's ask her a little bit about this work. Could you tell us a little bit about this work?
Well, this is, a lot of my works are very sort of indirectly autobiographical. So here it's like me in three phases, in a yogic, meditative phase, and I think painting is so therapeutic. So it's that, and here I'm just representing a woman who's a powerful woman. Powerful not only physically but psychologically, mentally, emotionally. She's a very strong woman. So this is what I'm representing here. And all around I have just made these visual sort of breakups, so that, and then each one I filled up some image or some something
I can see text.
Some text, yeah, in Badal, it's Badal. And a lot has been influenced over the years with my growing of my son. I've been working on the torso series from last, you can say, two and a half decades, and it's evolved. Earlier the torsos were very minimal, and the background was also very minimal. So over the years, it's become very busy. The background is very busy, the inside is busy. I'm actually make a torso. I don't want to identify the woman. It's whether it's the woman's joy or it's the atrocities on her. So I just want to show the body, because the woman's body itself is so symbolic and it's so beautiful. I mean, I feel there is a lavanya, the grace in that, which I've always been inspired by the Indian sculptures when I travel, like when I travel all over India. So I take my camera and I clip, and these have been inspired by that. From the torso, what I want to, torso means fertility, motherhood, sensuousness, sensitivity, sensuousness. It could just go on and on. Being in the field from the last 40 years, it's been a roller coaster ride. Joys, pains, sufferings, a lot of things. So now I have come to terms with life and with my art. So I'm very much at peace. I'm producing works. I'm doing these works in a very sort of a tranquil way. So I think it's that phase which is showing here, and I've always been a colorist. My works, when I started my career in the early 70s, was very dark. They were browns, they were blacks, probably because I was younger. But now I think with so much happened in life, I don't like black and white. I mean, I do like black and white works, but I don't like black and white in life. So I just want to see, I just keep away from negativity. So I just want to paint what I'm happy with. So this is probably, you can say, a peaceful and happy phase. And these crosses and all, it can be symbolic of a lot of things. It's like when I'm representing the woman, it's the whispers, a woman does, the gossip she does. So all that is being sort of, interpreted here. There are lots of things if you look at it. And of course the colors. I mean, I'm very particular about the colors I take, the bright colors. I think it's a very strong work. Strong statement I'm giving. It's based on the Lajja Devi, one of the goddesses, where she's giving birth. So here I'm not showing the thing giving birth, but it's like a playful figure upside down. Okay. And the colors. Okay. Colors and the sequins and Swarovskis, and I'm a hoarder. Whenever I go, if I travel, people go to the malls and big shops. I just go to the local market. I always look for stuff which I fancy. and I just pick it up. So
Yeah,
people may say that, why are you going there? You know, you should actually be going to a big, nice, branded shop. I said, no, I don't want to. I want to go to the local area, meet the local people. I shoot their pictures, I shoot their faces, and I just pick up stickers, local stuff, cheap local stuff, which I want to use in my painting. And I just love doing that.